So before we jump into this video, let me explain to you basic terms that we use in this video: CPM and RPM. CPM, are cost per mile, refers to the cost advertisers pay for 1,000 ads views on a video. RPM, in other sense, is revenue per mile, is the actual revenue a creator earns per 1,000 views after YouTube 45% cut. CPM rates vary widely by video content and country. CPM is the metric advertisers focus on when determining how much they are willing to pay for ads to be displayed in a video. It is based on the cost per 1,000 views for their advertisements. In contrast, RPM is more relevant to content creators as it indicates their actual earning from YouTube, while CPM is a gross figure before any deduction. RPM is a net figure calculated after YouTube has taken its share, which is 45%. Therefore, RPM is always lower than CPM. So without any further ado, I will show you the CPM and RPM of different niches and their country and how to boost it. So before we start, let's jump into top 10 countries that their RPM high, that YouTube pays them more than the other countries. One of them is United States of America, which their RPM is 11 euros. If you are from this country, you'll be earning more than others who are putting the same effort like you. The second one here is Australia, which is 9 euros. 9 euros per RPM. Okay, the third one here is Switzerland, which is 8.85 euros. The fourth one here is Norway. Norway RPM is 7.49 euros. All this depend on the qualities. Qualities also contribute, and what contributes most is the country these people are in. The fifth one here is New Zealand. Is the fifth country that YouTube pays high for their RPM. The sixth one here is Canada, which is 6.55 RPM. The seventh one here is Denmark. Denmark are earning highly on RPM, which is 6.54 euros. The eighth one here is United Kingdom, which their creators get 6.31 euros per RPM. The ninth one here is Germany, which the RPM is 6.04 euros. Okay, let's go to the 10th most paid RPM on YouTube. The 10th most paid RPM country on YouTube, which is Netherlands, which their RPM is 5.83 euros. So if your country is not mentioned here, here are the list, a compiled list of RPM of each country. Okay, let's see here. We have United Arab Emirates, we have Argentina, we have Australia, we have Bosnia and Herzegovina, we have Bangladesh, we have Belgium, we have Bulgaria, we have Brazil, Canada, Switzerland, Chile, Colombia, Czech, Germany, Denmark, Egypt, Spain, Finland, France, United Kingdom, Greece, Hong Kong, Croatia, Hungary, Indonesia, Iran, Israel, India, Italy, Japan, Republic of Korea, Kuwait, Sri Lanka, Morocco, Mexico, Malaysia, Nigeria, Netherlands, Norway, Nepal, New Zealand, Philippines, Pakistan, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Serbia, Saudi Arabia, Sweden, Singapore, Slovakia, Thailand, Turkey, Taiwan, Ukraine, United States of America, Vietnam, and South Africa. If I didn't mention your country name correctly, please bear with me. So all these lists compile here. If you go through it, you see the your country RPM and CPM. So here is one of the way you can boost your CPM. What I mean by boosting your CPM is how you can increase your CPM. One of it is recognizing a regular videos over shorts. Why shorts are popular formats on YouTube? They are much lower RPM compared to regular videos. Yes, focusing on creating regular standard lengthy video leads to high CPM, as these formats generally attract more creative advertising options and better engagement metrics. So the second one here is aiming for a longer videos, or aiming for videos longer than 8 minutes. Videos that are 8 minutes longer have added advantage of qualifying a mid-roll ads. This means that ads can be placed not only before or after, but also during in the video, potentially increasing the revenue opportunities. The second one is targeting high CPM countries. Your RPM can greatly depend on your audience location. Some countries have higher CPM due to advertised preference and economic factors. Refer to the list that I have mentioned with high CPM rates and tailor your videos to suit it accordingly. The fourth one here is creating a high paying niche. Yes, certain niche like technology, finance, digital marketing, and generally command high CPM. If this aligns with your expertise and interest or your channel, focusing on this content can be so lucrative. So remember that all these strategies can help increase RPM, but the core of success in YouTube is always have an engaging video, high quality content that resonates with your viewers. This is the end of this video, and if you like the value I'm sharing in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. It will make this video to go viral and reach to wider audience seeking for this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Peace.